Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today I was just sitting here messing around with some of these little last minute gift ideas that I thought of. Actually I was cruising on Pinterest, as we all do, and I saw these cute little tags. I don't even know if they were using them as tags, but I made them into a tag. And I'm just calling it a loaded tag. I thought this would be really cute. You could use this to stick like a gift card in or whatever you want, and I thought it would be a really great, quick and easy last minute gift for maybe like co-workers or neighbors or something, you know. And you could always just add a little Dollar Tree mug here in a nice little bag and just put on one of these cute little tags. And in here I have my hot chocolate and some Andes candies, and then a cute little candy cane that I hooked on the side. So I thought, what a cute little gift that would be for somebody. And you know, when you have a lot of coworkers and stuff, you really can't afford to spend a ton of money, even though, you know, you really like to give them just a little something. So I'm going to show you guys how I made this real quick here. And I want to make a bunch more of these because I think they're really cute. It's just a great little, that's kind of like the gift. It's not even the mug. It's like just something really cute and personal from you. So I cut a piece of cardstock paper. This came out of one of the paper pads that I have from last year from Michael's. And I cut it 8 inches long and 5 inches high. And then I just folded it in half. And then I just creased it really good. And then I just cut off an angle. I don't even know how much I did. Let me measure here, just so I can give you guys an idea of what it is. It's about 2 inches I cut down from the top. So I just took my cutter and I put this in here with a little point, and then I'm just kind of, I'll measure this just so I can show you guys what I'm talking about, but I didn't measure them, I just kind of eyeballed them. But anyway, you can just measure 2 inches down. Make yourself a little tiny dot. And then just put your little fold point there. And where's my little dot? There it is. And then you just cut that out. So then you have something that looks just like that. Alright, so I don't need that anymore. This is so easy. You could make probably like 20 of these in an hour once you make your first one. It's just so simple. So anyway, I like the corner rounded here. I didn't like it just thing, so I just cut off just the corner of it and made it just a little bit rounder. Alright, so then I just took some of my handy dandy double-sided tape here on my tape runner from the Dollar Tree and just ran across the bottom couple times, and then up that side that you just cut off, just, whoops, wow, that really stuck. Just up those two sides there and just fold it over, stick it down real quick. Now, this stuff has been sticking really well. I haven't had any problem with it coming apart or anything, so I really like this little tape runners from the Dollar Tree. So then I took my little hole puncher, I got tape on the other side. I just took my hole puncher and I made just 2 little holes here on the side that I want to put some ribbon through, and I put them probably about a ½ an inch apart, no biggie. And then I just added another one up at the top to hang your little string from, to hang it from your package. So like that, and then you have your little holes here. Alright, and then I have some of this from last year too from Michael's. It's just a little bit of washi tape that I'm just going to run across here just to give it a little something extra. And I just went all the way around the back with it. There we go. It just says no peeking. And then I have a 2-inch hole punch. If you don't, you can just cut out a circle. And I punched out just a little red paper. This was actually from that paper pad. It's really pretty. It says "Let It Snow" on the top. And then I also made some using this foiled paper that's really pretty that was in that paper pad too. I don't know if they still have the same ones, but I know they have a lot of different pretty paper pads. So anyway, I'm just going to take my little 2-inch circle, add some tape to it here. I know I always overdo with the tape. I really don't need that much. And I'm just going to stick that over to the side here, just like so. And then I want to put one of these cute little stickers on here that I have from the Dollar Tree. I think actually these were last year's too, but they have cute ones for this year. And I want to put this little cute little snowman right on my circle. Try to get him even here. There we go. There, and then we have that there. And then I love using these things, just adds a little sparkle to everything. It's just these little gemstone stickers from the Dollar Tree, and they're actually the perfect length too. So they come off in a row. I don't know if hopefully you can find them. It's hard to find this stuff, I know, this time of year, but hopefully you guys might have some laying around. And then that fits just across the bottom just perfect. Just one row of that. I think that just gives it a little extra fancy, or whatever you want to call it. And then I put another one up here, just because I love a little bling, especially at Christmas time. You gotta have a little extra bling. So I'm just going to run this along the edge that I cut off. There. And that's pretty much it for our little decorated tag. I think that's so cute. This is a great idea. I wish I would have known this sooner when I was still working where I used to work. And then I'm just going to take a couple of these Andes candies. These came from the Dollar Tree too, and so do these candy canes. And they're not the giant ones, they're just a nice size for this. So I need that. And I don't think I have another one of these in here, but I'll take this one out for now. And then just a pack of hot chocolate, and I just folded down the top of it for that. Now I'm going to take some of this string. This came from the Dollar Tree too. You could use yarn if you had like some red or green yarn or something that would look nice. But I'm going to make this for my hanger. And I don't really measure things. I'm not too precise on the measurements for this, but I mean, you guys know what a hanger would look like on a gift tag. And then I'm just going to slip that through the hole. And I just tied a knot in the end of it there. And I'm just going to pull that, put that right through the hole. And there you go, you have your little hanger. So I'm going to take another piece. I'm going to make this one kind of long, because this is what I'm going to make my bow with by my candy cane. I'm just going to double it. But like I said, if you have some, you know, thin ribbon or yarn would be perfect for this. Of course, I have no idea where my red or green yarn would be, because I am so unorganized this time of year. It's terrible. Between having Christmas wrapping paper all over and everything else that's going on. Alright, so I put that through there like that, and then I take my candy cane. I'm actually using these glue dots from the Dollar Tree. I'm just putting a little glue dot on the back end of my candy cane. Let's see which way I want this one. I don't know, I may have him go that way. I mean, the sky's the limit on how you could decorate these. I mean, you could pretty much use anything you have as far as stickers or any kind of little bling stickers or cutouts that you may have. I really didn't get anything done this year as far as like with my die cutting machine or anything. I have all these really cute things, but things just keep coming up this year and just did not get to it. So anyway, we're just going to use our cute little Dollar Tree stickers. Okay. So then I got my couple of glue dots on there just to hold it in place. And I think that'll look cute just like that. And then I'm just going to make a cute little bow on here. Nothing fancy. Just a bow. Where's my little loop here? I'll just cut that off. There. And that is pretty much it for the little tag. And then on the top there you can just put your to and from on it. Right up there. And then I'm just going to take my hot chocolate mix, and these little Andes candies can peek out of there. And that is it. I mean, the sky's the limit on these, depending on what kind of paper you use, and washi, and decorations to make them all your own. I think this would be a lovely little gift to leave on somebody's desk, or just in a neighbor's mailbox if you wanted to. So that was it. I just wanted to share this with you guys. I'm going to sit here and make a bunch more of these to give out, and I will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everybody.